We continue exercise 1.5. In the previous video, we have seen question number first. Now question number second. We have given universal set. U is given. Set U is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Set A is given. And another set. Find the complement of the following sets. Find the complement. Find the complement of the given set. The first is A equals to A, B, C. So complement of A, we have to calculate. Complement of A means A dash, and A dash is equals to U minus A. And the value of U is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus A. Set A is A, B, C. So we will have to write the term, those elements which is not in the another set. So A, B, C is available. So its complement will be D, E, F, G and H. Now second part, B equals to D, E, F, G. D, E, F, G. So we have to find the complement of B, means B dash, and B dash equals to U minus E. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and minus B. B is D, E, F, G. So those elements of set U which is not in B. So we exclude D, E, F, G. So the result will be A, B, C and H. This is the complement of B. Then C equals to A, C, E, G. A, C, E, G. We have to find the complement of C. Means calculate C dash equals to U minus C. Write the value of U. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus C. C is A, C, E and G. So exclude. A is available, C is available, E is available, G is available. So B is not present in this set, D is not present, F is not present, G is present, then H. So B, D, F, H. This is complement of C. Then D equals to F, G, H, A. D equals to F, G, H, A. We have to find complement of D, means D dash equals to U minus D, and U is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus the value of D, F, G, H, A. So which elements is not available in the another set? A is not available, D, then C, then D and then E. F, G, H is available. A is also available. So the result is B, C, D and E. Now next question, question number 3. Taking the set of natural numbers as universal set, write down the complement of the following set. Taking the set of natural number as universal set, we have given universal set U equals to set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers is given. U is the set of natural numbers. Then we have to find the complement of the following set. The first part is x such that x is an even number. X such that x is an even number. This is the question. X such that x is an even number. We have to find its complement. So its complement will be x such that x is an odd natural number. भाई यूनिवर्सल सेट 6 को माइनस करना है. So universal set is the set of natural number. So set of natural number means odd natural number and even natural number. So odd plus even natural number से even number को हटा दिया तो क्या मिला? Odd natural number. This is the complement of this set. Now the second part is x such that x is an odd number. X such that x is an odd number. Then its complement, this set will be subtracted from universal set. So its complement is x such that x is an even natural number. Even natural number. This is the complement of odd number. Now third part, x such that x is a positive multiple of 3. X such that x is a positive multiple of 3. X such that x is a positive multiple of 3. So its complement is x such that x belongs to L and is not a multiple of 3. Is not a multiple of 3. Natural number से 3 के multiple को minus कर दिया तो not multiple of 3. Then fourth part, x such that x is a prime number. X such that x is a prime number, and we have to write its complement. So x such that x is a composite number. पूरे नेचुरल नंबर से प्राइम नंबर को माइनस कर दिया तो क्या मिला? कॉम्पोजिट नंबर. So x such that x is a composite number. And x equals to 1 because x is not a prime number. So x is a composite number and x equals to 1. 1 is included. Now the fifth part, x such that x is a natural number. divisible by 3 and 5. X such that X is a natural number. Divisible by 3 or 5. X such that X is a natural number divisible by 3 or 5. So its complement is X such that X is a natural number, or we can write X belongs to N, and X is neither divisible by 3 or 5. X such that X belongs to N and X is neither divisible by 3 or 5. Next, X such that X is a perfect square. X such that X is a perfect square. The next part is sixth part. X such that X is a perfect square. X such that X is a perfect square. We have to write its complement. So X such that X is not a perfect square. Its complement be X such that X belongs to N and X is not a perfect स्क्वायर. तो अभी टोटल नेचुरल नंबर से परफेक्ट स्क्वायर को माइनस करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. देन x such that x is a perfect cube. X such that x is a perfect cube. Then its complement be x such that x belongs to N and x is not a perfect cube. Perfect cube is subtracted from the natural number. We get not a perfect cube. Then part 8. X such that x plus 5 equals to 8. X such that x equals to x plus 5 equals to 8. X such that x plus 5 equals to 8. So its complement is x such that x belongs to N and x is not equals to 3. क्योंकि x अगर 3 के इक्वल होगा तब तो 8 के इक्वल हो ही जाएगा. We have to write its complement. So x not be equals to 3. X belongs to N and x is not equals to 3. Then x such that 2x plus 5 equals to 9. X such that 2x plus 5 equals to 9. So what would be its complement? X such that x belongs to N. When we put the value of x equals to 2, it becomes 4 plus 5, 9. So the value of x should not be equals to 2. And x is not equals to 2. Then part 10. X such that x is greater than equals to 7. X such that x is greater than equals to 7. X such that x is greater than equals to 7. So its reverse, x such that x belongs to N and x is less than 7, not greater, less than 7. Then x such that x belongs to N. Part 11. x such that x belongs to n. X such that x belongs to n, natural number, and 2x plus 1 is greater than 10, and 2x plus 1 is greater than 10. X such that x belongs to n and 2x plus 1 is greater than 10. So x such that x belongs to n and x is less than, अगर यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू 5 पुट करेंगे तो 5 इंटू 2 10 प्लस 1 11, 11 इज ग्रेटर देन 10, लेकिन हमें तो ये देखनी है कि इसकी क्या वैल्यू होगी कि 10 से लेस देन होगा. सो x इज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू x इज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 9/2. 9/2 मीन्स 4.5. तो 4.5 यहाँ डालोगे तो 9 प्लस 1 10. So 10 is equals to 10. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Universal set is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Question number 4. U equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The value of U is given. A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Set A is given 2, 4, 6, 8. And set B is 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Set B. Then we have to verify A union B dash. First, A union B dash is equals to A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. So we will have to prove that LHS is equals to RHS. So first we solve LHS and we will find A union B. So the set A is 2, 4, 6, 8 and union set B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Write down by combining both the terms. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is A union B. Now for finding A union B dash, this is the complement which is equals to U minus A union B, and universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 minus A union B is 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So those elements which are not in this set, so 1 is not available, 5 is available, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, 8. So 1 common 9. We get LHS A union B whole dash is 1 comma 9. Then we have to find RHS. RHS is A dash intersection B dash. So first we calculate A dash, and A dash is equals to U minus A, and the value of U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus set A 2468. 2468. So when we exclude 2468, we get 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. This is the value of A dash. Then we calculate B dash. And B dash equals to U minus B. And the value of U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And minus B. B is 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5 and 7. So it remains 1, 2 and 3 is available, 4 is not available, 6 is not available, 7 is available, 8 and 9 is not available. This is the value of B dash, and that is A dash. Now we have to find A dash intersection. A dash intersection B dash. So the value of A dash is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Intersection, the value of B dash is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now what is common? So 1 and 9 is the common term. So we get LHS equals to RHS. So this has been verified. LHS equals to RHS. Now the second part of this question. A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash equals to A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. So we'll solve LHS. And in LHS, firstly you find A intersection B. The value of A intersection B. So A is 2, 4, 6, 8. Intersection, the value of B is 2, 3, 5 and 7. Then the common term. We have to write the intersection. So the common term in both the sets, 2 is common. Only 2 is the common term. So A intersection B is 2. Then we have to calculate A intersection B dash. A intersection B dash is written as U minus A intersection B. And the value of U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Minus A intersection B is 2. So when we subtract 2, then we get 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is A intersection B dash. Now we have to solve RHS. So for RHS, first we find A dash, and A dash is calculated by U minus A, and the value of U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus A. The value of A is 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So subtract 2, 4, 6, 8. We get 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. This is A dash. Now find B dash. So B dash equals to U minus B. The value of U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus the value of B 2, 3, 5 and 7. So we get 1, then 2, 3 is available, 4, 5 available, 6, then 7 is available, 8 and 9. So now we have to find A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. RHS is A dash union B dash. So the value of A dash 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and union B dash is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now combine both the terms. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9. So this is RHS and this is LHS. So both are equal. LHS is equals to RHS. Now next question, question number 5. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. So A union B dash. Venn diagram. First is A union B dash. So for drawing the Venn diagram, this is the universal set U, this is set A and this is set B. So what would be A union B? A union B is the region of A as well as region of B, and A union B dash means this whole region, the region of A and B will be excluded from the universal set. So these sided region represent A union B dash. When we subtract A union B from the universal set, then we get the sided region. So this sided region gives A union B dash. From universal set, A union B is excluded. Then A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. This is A, this is B. So what is meant by A dash? A dash means U minus A. A dash equals to U minus A. So complete universal सेट से A को exclude कर दिया, and B dash means U minus B. यूनिवर्सल सेट से B को भी exclude कर दिया, तो हमारे पास जो कॉमन एरिया आया वो यही आया. कौन सा आया? This is the common part. भाई A को एक्सक्लूड करोगे तो ये रीजन, B को एक्सक्लूड करोगे तो ये रीजन. सो दिस इज द सैडेड रीजन. सो बोथ आर द सेम थिंग. अभी तो प्रूफ किया था A यूनियन B डैश इक्वल्स टू A डैश इंटरसेक्शन B डैश. देन A इंटरसेक्शन B डैश. Third part is A intersection B dash. A intersection B dash. Universal set A, set B. So पहले A intersection B बताओ. A intersection B. This region is the A intersection B. And A intersection B dash means universal set minus this region. तो पूरे में से इस रीजन को माइनस कर दोगे तो क्या रिमेनिंग रहेगा? दिस रीजन रिमेन्स, इंटरसेक्शन वाली जो रहेगी वो बचे। दिस इज ए इंटरसेक्शन बी डैश, देन ए डैश यूनियन बी डैश, ए डैश यूनियन बी डैश, ए डैश यूनियन बी डैश, यूनिवर्सल सेट ए बी। A dash means u minus a and b dash means u minus b, और दोनों का यूनियन। तो ये पोर्शन छोड़ करके बाकी का जितना भी साइडेड पोर्शन है वो which gives us only this portion will remain, this, and rest are the a dash union b dash. It means A intersection B dash is equals to A dash union B dash. Already we have verified in the previous question.